Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a year-end close checklist in QuickBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up a year-end close checklist in QuickBooks, launch the application on your computer. Sign in with your credentials to access your company file. Navigate to the Reports section from the left-hand menu. In the Reports section, locate that Accountant and Taxes category. Select Year-End Closing from the drop-down menu. This report will provide an overview of your financial status for the year. Next, review your income and expense accounts to ensure all transactions are accurately recorded. Navigate to the Chart of Accounts from the left-hand menu. Check for any accounts that may need adjustments or additional entries. Once you've verified each account, move on to reconciling your bank statements. Go to Banking and select Reconcile from the options. Choose the account you wish to reconcile and input the statement date and balance. Follow the prompts to match your transactions and resolve any discrepancies. After reconciling, review your accounts payable and accounts receivable balances. Ensure all invoices and bills are entered and up to date. Next, generate an income statement to assess profitability for the year. Navigate back to the Reports section and select Profit and Loss. Customize. Examine the report for any unusual entries or errors. Once satisfied, proceed to prepare your year-end journal entries. Go to Company in the top menu and select Make General Journal Entries. Input the appropriate entries based on your review of the financial statements. It's essential to post any necessary year-end adjustments at this stage. Following this, create an inventory valuation report if applicable. Navigate to Reports and select Inventory to run the report. Ensure your inventory counts are accurate for year-end assessments. As a final step, create a checklist document using a word processor. List each of the tasks you've completed during this year-end process. This document will serve as your reference for future year-end closes. Save your checklist and ensure it is easily accessible for next year. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.